Friends, my name is Dr. Arun Bhanot and I work as a spine specialist in Delhi and Gurugram.
Today we are going to talk about the role of endoscopic spine treatment and how it can change the life of patients who are miserable and suffering from slip disc, spinal stenosis, and patients who have been even previously operated, and how they can take benefit from this excellent treatment method. These are our contact information. This is the story of a 65-year-old lady who suffered from very severe leg pain. She could not walk properly and she even could not do her daily basic household work or even take care of herself for her bare daily needs like moving around to go to the washroom, taking a shower, getting a glass of water for herself. These are bare minimum needs and she was not able to do them by herself because of the severe pain. She had a previous treatment history for similar problem. She had a similar pain in the leg few years back, about 15 years ago, and she had undergone a open spine operation at that time. She recovered from that operation and remained alright for several years till this new problem came up a few days ago. Though most of the patients continue to do well, but it is sometimes possible in a few patients to have a repeat problem in spine due to ongoing extra wear and tear happening inside the body that continues to happen with age. These are her MRI pictures just to make you understand. Before talking about her MRI, I would want you to understand how a normal MRI of the spine looks like. This is the normal MRI picture showing how bones in our spine are stacked one over each other in one uniform manner as shown here step by step. This is like a wall of bricks where each brick is carefully laid one over each other in a systematic manner, and you can see that it is a very gentle, harmonious curve in our lower back that arranges these bones one over each other. Behind this bones and within the bony cage, the protective bony cage, lies our spinal cord, which is the biggest nerve in the body and controls movements and actions of our legs and makes us have ability to stand, walk and do various activities of daily life. This is a very sensitive structure and is protected by this bony protective cage. Now compare this curvature, the gentle curvature that we just showed, with this curvature in this patient. So you can see that her gentle smooth curve has been interrupted and her spine in the lower back has become a crooked shape. It is a abnormal curvature as well as alignment of various bones. Now if we look carefully here in this enlarged picture, we can see that the space available for the nerves has been severely compromised here at one level, where we cannot see any white or yellow thing and all is crowded by the encroached bone. So this creates pinching of the nerves in the back. Traditionally, if she was to be treated by a spine operation, she would have required a repeat spine operation in which there will be a need for big open incision or also need for introduction of screws and metal rods in the spine because we will be needing to remove a lot of bone. There will be a lot of blood loss and extra cost for metallic implants to be put inside the patient's body. However, after assessing her problem carefully, it was found that she had a pinched nerve at one small area only in her spine, and that was the main reason for her problem of leg pain. Now, if we could treat only that part of the problem without try to correct her curvature, which was not the actual cause of her coming to hospital, she would be saved from a big spine operation. That is where the role of full endoscopic spine treatment comes into picture. Once the problem is minutely identified, then she was found to be a very suitable candidate for endoscopic treatment. Now what happens in this treatment? The doctor introduces a small tiny camera inside the spine of the patient through a small 8 mm hole in the back as shown here. After carefully placing the camera and the endoscope, the doctor can look at magnified images on the TV monitor and remove the small part of the bone or the disc that is causing pinching of the nerve, like a nail in the foot. All that could be done without any need for expensive metal implants and without any extra cost and risk to the patient. After the operation, she improved significantly. Here we share a small video of how the endoscopic operation was done, and later her son shares their story of the treatment experience.
नमस्कार जी, ये मेरी माता राजबाई हैं। इनको पैर में प्रॉब्लम थी, इनको डिस्क की प्रॉब्लम थी, तो हम इनको कोलंबिया हॉस्पिटल में डॉक्टर अरुण भानोट के पास लेके आए थे। पहले इन्होंने इंजेक्शन दिया, इंजेक्शन से काफ़ी रिलीफ नहीं मिला, 50% रिलीफ मिल गया था। उसके बाद उन्होंने एक माइनर सर्जरी, लेजर से सर्जरी होती है, उसके लिए हमें सजेस्ट किया। जब ये अभी 30 तारीख को जो सर्जरी हुई है बहुत अच्छी लगा है। अभी इनको कोई भी पेन नहीं है, ये लगभग अपना काम खुद कर लेती हैं, इनको कोई प्रॉब्लम है नहीं। अब ये सारा काम कर लेते हैं, चल कर लेते हैं, इनको कोई भी पेन नहीं है। उन्होंने यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट हुआ है, हम बहुत ज़्यादा सेटिस्फाई है डॉक्टर अरुण भानोट का। कोलंबिया हॉस्पिटल में पूरी फैसिलिटी है, बहुत अच्छा है, यहाँ पे हमें फीडबैक मिलता है। नमस्कार।